Make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about 2 common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a dot charger. If you need to find the fuse for the front right headlight, stay with us. We'll explain where that fuse is located. It's hidden. We'll talk about common mistakes people make when replacing fuses and relays. That can cost you practically, guys, thousands of dollars if you make that mistake. Also, we'll talk why it's super important to test relays, fuses, and where to buy cheap fuses and relays from. All that will be covered in this video today. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys want to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge or any vehicle, you want to get them at a good price, quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's continue now. It should work on V6, V8, specifically we have a V6 2018 year model, and if we come right here, guys, okay, there is a fuse box, right? There could be some headlight fuses, but there is one specific one for the front right headlight, okay? And it's not here, it's at a different place. Let's say you replace the fuse and you still have problems, okay? What could be causing that? In some cases you may need a scanner, guys. Diagnostic tool to access the computer system, body control module, and reset the codes. And you won't need a tool like that. I'll put the link in the description of the video below if you want to check current price and features, but it works on almost any car you can think of, and it's a tool that can pay itself off in one-time use. It's an amazing tool, guys. You can access every computer system in your car, read codes, delete codes, and see live data, and check out how many different cars it supports. It supports Lamborghinis, even we used it on Porsche, Dodge, Chrysler, Fiat, multiple cars we used it here. So check out the link if you need help with that. Sometimes you need to reset the code in order for the headlight to work correctly again. So you will need to open, guys, actually you will need to open the trunk on your dot charger. You need to lift up the trunk liner here, and as you can see you have the spare tire and the car battery here. 3 common mistakes people make. Often it's recommended to disconnect the car battery when replacing a fuse or relay. Otherwise, you can cause malfunctions to the electrical systems and computers. Number 2, guys, another mistake people make. Most people do not know, but it's very important which battery terminal you disconnect first and which battery terminal you reconnect first. If you do it the wrong way, you can burn electronic modules, computers, relays, multiple things, guys. And how we know that? We did it on Mercedes. We burned airbag module computer and it cost us $2,000. So check out, there is a video that explains which battery terminal to disconnect first. With that being said, fuse box is right here. We're going to open it by pressing here, lifting up, and put it on the side. Mistake number 3 now. Let's talk about that. People, guys, will look at fuses and assume they're good or bad, trying to see through the glass. Sometimes it's really hard to see, especially on those big square fuses. We recommend to always test them. We had multiple customers who will come to the shop and they will they would say they have a problem with certain thing. They will replace multiple parts. They invested their money and time into a problem that doesn't exist. All we had to do is test the fuse, find out it's bad. So we made a special video. We'll put the link in the description of the video below, how to test fuses, relays, and where to buy cheap fuses and relays from. Check it out, guys. With that being said, what else we need to do? We're going to come right here. Start from the very left side. If you have a missing fuse, you still count it, and you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This fuse right here. 15 row, but it's actually known as fuse F06. We grab it with the fuse puller that's provided in the fuse box and pull it out. If you need to buy a replacement, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get it from. Get the new one, install it, close the cover, and you're ready to go. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.